Hey, welcome back to this week's episode, and thanks for watching. And this week we're going to do spaghetti with meatballs. I love spaghetti with meatballs because it's like my favorite comfort food. I just can't get enough of it. But I've never tried it on the grill. Let's try it out. I decided to grill the meatballs because everything tastes better from the grill, right? So we're going to do the meatballs on the grill and the entire sauce on the grill. I'm going to do the meatballs from 1/3 beef, 1/3 veal, and 1/3 pork. And we're going to keep the sauce very simple, very Italian. Tomato, basil, and mushrooms and onion. Let's do it. Alright, I think I pushed the limits here a little bit. I tried to be a little creative and do the meatballs and the tomato sauce directly on the grill, caveman style. But I think we burned a little bit of our sauce, so I do not recommend that. I did it like this because I was hoping that the drippings from the meatballs will drip into the sauce and make it even richer. And you know, we get a lot of flavor from the caveman style charcoal. But it looks pretty good. Just don't scrape any of the burnt stuff into the sauce. Okay, let's get the parsley out that I just put for taste. Put a little bit of basil in. Smells amazing. It smells very rich, very nice sauce. Let's turn the meatballs. See if we can get a little bit more of a crust on them. Oh, there, it looks pretty sweet. Yeah, so definitely it's a little messy, Don't do the caveman style. It's gonna be a lot messier than you were looking for. But it looks pretty good. Here, let me see. I already prepared some spaghettis. Let's serve a little bit of the sauce on it. Look, looks very good. Very creamy, very rich, very nice. Let me see the meatballs. Oh, look, it's beautiful. Look how they sizzle. Oh, look at this one. Beautiful. All right, this looks pretty good. Let me get the remaining meatballs off. Look at this, beautiful. All right, let's try it out. Have a look at this meatball. It's beautiful. Let's hope it tastes as good as it looks. Let me take this big lap off. Looks pretty good. It's very good. The crust of the meatballs is outstanding. It has that really delicious grilled crust that you can only get on the grill. And that little bit of smoky flavor. Yeah. It almost got a smoke ring too, like a little bit from the sauce. Wow, it's amazing. Well, definitely give it a try. You know, if you haven't tried spaghetti with meatballs directly from the grill, try it out. What would I do different in the future? Well, maybe if you want to do it simpler, just grill your meatballs on the grill, do your spaghetti and your sauce inside. It's probably a bit simpler. You get the great taste, the great crust from the meatballs, but it's all a little bit easier to manage. Would I do it again on the grill? Maybe, but don't do it caveman style. Do it a little bit indirect heat. Do your sauce on the side, that it doesn't get too hot, it doesn't boil over as much as it is this time. And yeah, it's a winner. Try it out. Thank you so much. If you liked our video, subscribe, like, comment below. Thank you so much.